everyone. I would like to introduce myself. I am architect Naina Mangnani. I've been working with BBM since 2 years and I have recently designed Mrs. Sumeda's house. I would like you guys to have a walk through it. Thank you so much. Let's do it. The main idea about this unit was to go for handleless concept with the provision for shoe rack below. As per the client's requirement, we wanted some space for small belongings like keys and few artifacts. So this space has been designed for that. We have used handleless concept for this shoe rack, and all the hinges we've used is soft close. We have designed a special space below the entire shoe rack. This is for the shoes which are used regularly. Entering the living area, we have the concept of browns and beige color for the sofa and the TV unit. The entire concept for the TV unit was to have a plain panel with a very sleek TV with a box below it. The set of boxes inside black painted glass. For the master bedroom of Mrs. Sumedha, I have designed in the color of beige and dark brown. The client requirement said that they wanted something unique in the contemporary theme, so the design goes with 2 hanging lights above the side table with a floating bed. Has a very sleek TV unit without any ledges or provision for artifacts, and with very sleek grooves in MDF. The wardrobe is very simple with PVC laminate. The advantage of the PVC laminates is that the edges of the PVC laminates are not seen and it gives us a glossy look. The pelmet has been designed for the curtains. So I have designed pelmet with the LED lights for the curtains, which makes it look very elegant.
Hello everyone, my name is Gaurav Meshram and she's my wife Sumedha. So actually having a house is everybody's dream, and this is our dream that came true, and it was a big decision to get a big house in Pune. So our idea was to get a flat that which has minimal furniture, so that we have plenty of room to move within the house. And Sumedha can add more to it.
So we came to know about BBM from a friend, and when we met Vishal first, we briefed him about our requirement, like how we want the room to be. Like we wanted a grey shade house with spacious minimum of the furniture, and he listened to us very carefully, and he guided us through the whole process. Then what he told us, like the timelines, he was very clear about the timelines, that even though we were pushing for the timelines, he was very clear that it will take 3 months, and they did as promised, delivered within the timelines. And even though at the end they had to push a little to get the work done, but they did the job well.
Yeah, exactly. So I would like to add further to it that once we had that initial meetings with Vishal and the other team members of BBM, so all the little intricacies of how the things will be placed, where the lightings will come, how the furniture at which position within the house will look good, they all were very detail oriented in that perspective. And then as you can see that all those things were very well taken care of. So I really congratulate the team that they did a fantastic job in terms of executing the entire project and keeping in mind the tight deadlines that we had to move inside the house as early as possible, and then they all committed to it and then delivered the project on time.
Yeah, one thing I would like to add is like because of lockdown, we had to rush to shift inside. But even after lockdown, the minimal things which were remaining, like few things here and there, they made it a point that everything is covered after the lockdown was over. So every little thing that we pointed out was taken care, and here we are.
Yeah, and actually one more thing was which I really liked about BVM was after we were able to conclude the scope of the entire project. So they also guided us in terms of what will actually look good in terms of our requirements. They did a 3D modeling of the house and they showed it to us that this is how the flat will look like after the completion, and ditto, I think 90% of what was actually showed to us in the 3D models were all captured very well inside it. So yeah, I think that's a very good thing, because when people make their houses, they really want to see that how they perceive that things will look like, and with today's technology and the commitment of the workforce that Vishal has, I think they delivered a fantastic job in it.
That's right. So I would say that the planning took the most of the time, planning and designing, I think, which is very important. So almost for 1.5 months we were discussing on the things, we were debating on it, and finally we had the designs ready, and the execution as promised was it took around 1 or 2 months and it was delivered on time. So execution, planning, designing, everything was perfect. I have nothing I can complain about.
Yeah, I think we don't have any complaints in terms of what was
promised
and was delivered to us. So kudos to the entire team for that.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.